Hi. Hi, Wriggle Worm. How are you doing? How are you doing, Wriggle Worm? Hmm? Hello? Are you having the hiccups? Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh, you got the hiccups? Here, I'll pick you up, okay? I'll pick you up.